Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video we will see how to download OpenAI ChatGPT on iPhone. Now it's officially to download OpenAI ChatGPT on your iPhone. Please watch this full video to learn how to download OpenAI ChatGPT. Now let's get started. First of all, go to App Store on your device. Next here go to search box and here search for OpenAI. Here in the results you can see that there is not available OpenAI ChatGPT. OpenAI ChatGPT is currently launched only for USA. So other than USA users can't use this. So now what to do and what's the solution for other than USA country? So now you have to do is first of all go to App Store on your device. Then here tap on your account profile which is located at the top right corner. After tap on that icon you will get the option country or region. Tap on it. Next here tap on change country or region. So yeah, you have to change the region on your device to use the feature. Now here you have to select US region. After selecting the region, now you have to tap on agree. Then again tap on agree. Next here you have to fill all the details which is asked, like your first name, last name and about your address like street, city, state, zip code, etc. Once you fill all the details, tap next. After done with all this here, now please close the app. Now wait for a while and again open the App Store on your device. Next go to search box and here search for OpenAI. Now in the results as you can see you will get OpenAI ChatGPT here. Now tap on get to install and download it on your device. Now here tap on install. Here you have to tap on sign in. Once it's downloaded, then please open it. Now please select the option which you want to continue with. Okay, now here enter your email address. Then tap continue and enter your passcode and again tap continue. So now here sign in process is completed. It will take some time to open it. After opening this, tap continue. So from now you can enjoy OpenAI ChatGPT on your own device. Here you can see the results for OpenAI ChatGPT. So now you can enjoy it on your device. I hope this video is very helpful for all the Snapchat users out there. If you still have any query you can ask me in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.